Oh, look. Well, hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. As we're cruising from a campout. Ooh, this road is freaking ridiculous. We're cruising from a campout in Pennsylvania. Little moto fella shing-ding. And Sam and I are cooking with a little bit of butter. This guy's driving all right. Yeah. Not so bad. A little Volkswagen action. Ooh. I fucked up that turn. Came in way too fucking wide and high gear. Oh, this road is amazing. Road is just, and the temperature is perfect. It feels like the evening time though, right? It doesn't really feel like it's 10 in the morning or 10:30, whatever. All right, we go straight here. Yeah, man, a lot of gravel. Go ahead, you go behind him. We got it. And I wasn't feeling it. Well, no, I was gonna gun it, but I was going already like 75, and I'm like, dude, this is 35-mile-per-hour road. I'm not trying to go 90, you know? Yeah, exactly. I'm not like you guys. Total animal. There's so many beautiful pull-offs here, right? For camping and chilling. It's insane. And this road is like banked and everything. We got 6 more miles until we take a right to 6 East. Ooh. I don't even know the name of this road. It's pretty damn nice. And I'm worried there's like gravel in this turns, but they look pretty clean. Whoa, a little air there, huh? Suspension unload. For what? Okay. Yeah. Yep, 5 miles when we get on 6 East. Nobody's talking. All business. Watch out for animals, bro. In 2 miles, we'll take a right. This road is just fucking perfect. Well, yep, yeah, we're going straight for another mile, and then you take a right on 6 East. That's good. We don't need to pass them. We got a half mile. Let's be civilized. Dude, that was fun. I can't believe I was somewhat keeping up with the big boy over here on the vlog and everything. That's gonna be a fun little vloggy vlog. No talking, but just moto action. High five. I need to give. Oh yes. Boom. Alright, we'll take it right here. I have a feeling that was it for that sick ass road like that, but who knows? Are these people taking a right? No, they're going straight. We're going right. Yeah, this guy is not using turn signals because he's YOLO. There we go. 55. Yeah. We were on this road for 14 miles until 206. Yeah, and the surface quality is perfect. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, we're not in Pennsylvania anymore. This is dirty Jersey. We'll see how the next road is, but this road is fucking perfect. River Road from 206. Turned on the little vlogging machine just to catch a little bit of the twisties for a couple minutes. As we're going 35 mile per hour speed limit, or 40, whatever it is. Yeah, there are. A little bit. But I don't think it's... Yeah. Because overall it's pretty perfect still. I wonder if we're actually going to get caught in the rain. Nah, we're good. Yo. Ooh, waving mid-turn. Next level skills. Uh-oh. We got 1.5 miles. We can't pass all 3 of them. Too much. Yeah, it's too bad because there's some turns coming up. Damn, it's 45 and these people are going fucking 30. Animals. Oh, we're taking a right in 1 mile. 1 mile. Oh. How many people are you passing? They're gonna report us for like reckless driving. They'd be like, These guys are driving normal. Alright, we got like 0.8 of a mile. Watch out. Oh boy. I'm glad we fucking passed him right in front of town. There we go. We're taking a right in half a mile. Yep. 84. We keep toying with 84. Well, yeah, because we're doing back roads, you know? Because if we're smart, we'd just get on 84 and go home. Oh, right over here. Well, right is 6 East. That's a detour for west. But we've taken a right on 6 East. Well, yeah, that. It's 6 West and 6 East in both same direction. Both of them. Because it's a detour. Jiminy Crickets. Let's cut off in front of that truck. Fuck that truck. It's okay. Go. Uh-oh. He hates you. He tried to roll coal. Didn't get me, bro. And you gave up the spot. You're like a MotoGP racer. You passed them illegally. Yeah, exactly. Trying to keep it adult. We got 5 miles on this little bitch. Oh, look. Let's pass him right now. We gotta take a left here. What a douchebag, right?
Yeah.
What a douchebag. Now look, there's a lot more motorcycles here. Yeah. What up, y'alls? What up? I guess. Couldn't tell. Deer Park. That sounds familiar. Am I recording still? Why?